Hi y'all, welcome. My name is LaWanda. If you are new here, if you are returning, welcome back. Guys, we are doing a pack with me video today. I am on my way to Miami for the weekend. I am going to a concert to see Billie Eilish down there for my daughter's 18th birthday, and I wanted to come on here and do a pack with me. Now, I know a lot of people don't like packing, but it is actually my favorite, well, one of my favorite parts of the trip is packing. I have a nice luxury travel collection, and it is so exciting to me to choose which pieces I'm going to take, which toiletry pouches I'm going to take. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the bags that I'm taking and how I am packing these bags. We're leaving in about 20 minutes, so I am rushing a little bit. I'll try not to be too quick with this video, but I am rushing because I want to, make sure we stay on time because the concert is actually tonight. So we want to get down there, get settled, eat, get dressed, and have time to not be rushing when we're going to the concert. The bags that I am taking today, I am taking my Louis Vuitton Keepall 55. This is probably my favorite travel bag. There is nothing that I can't fit into this bag. This bag works for if you're having an extended stay, even a week long, this bag works for it. And I love this one in particular because it has the black hardware on it. This is from the Mastercard line. It's actually from the men's line, and it has that silver hardware. And then on the inside of it, it's like a maroon type of color. And I am also taking this is the Coach messenger bag. You guys know I unboxed this a few weeks ago with the Coach radio camera bag, and this is my first time using the Mott messenger bag, and I am so excited. This bag will definitely be a part of my travel collection, but I'm excited about taking these two together, particularly because of the silver hardware on both of these bags. Both of these bags are from the men's collection. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one for my clothes, and I'll use this one for everything else. All right, let me go ahead and do this bag, guys. What I like about this bag is the slouch in this bag, so I want to make sure that whatever I put in this bag, it will allow it to have that slouch, so I think the soft things will work. I'm really not taking much, guys. These are my Lululemon like capri pants. I pretty much take these wherever I go, just if I want to just throw these on. These are casual, relaxed pants, so I'm throwing those in there. Okay, I am taking my Nordstrom jumpsuit. This is, I think it's Zella. I told you guys about this jumpsuit before, but I absolutely love this jumpsuit, so she had to come with me. I am taking this another little jumpsuit. Again, just a nice casual jumpsuit, guys. I am not like a fashionista. I like to look cute and I like to be comfortable, and I actually thrifted this. Several of these pieces I actually thrifted, and I like it because it's long, it's comfortable. I like the way it looks on my shape, so I'm gonna throw this in the bag. I'm gonna take this little dress. This is the dress I'm going to wear to the concert. It's Billie Eilish, and it's really casual. I think most of the people are wearing like bandanas and jerseys and jeans, like that's her style. I'm not doing that. So I'm just gonna wear this little dress. I actually thrifted this dress a couple of weeks ago, and I am bringing my steamer so that I can I can steam the clothes that I need to. I'm just putting my robe in here, just a black and white striped robe that I have here. I'm gonna take that. I'm just bringing this little pajama set. It's just pants and a little tank top, so I'm just bringing these. Then I'm just bringing this slip dress. This is just a black slip dress that I got from Target, just in case, like we go to dinner, or Troy and I go to a nice dinner or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and take this dress. And then I'm taking my scarf. This is the scarf that I got from Nordstrom. I'm taking that. It's just so thin and lightweight. And then I just have like a scarf for my hair that I'm putting in here. And that is it. I think that is all the clothes that I'm taking. Again, I'm just gonna wear what I have on today, which is just this top from Old Navy. I have on some Lululemon Align leggings. I'm just gonna wear some slides for the travel. Then tonight we're going to the concert, so I'll wear that dress. And then we have Friday, and then we have Saturday. So I probably have more clothes than I need. But as you can see, this bag is great. And I have more room in here, guys. Everything's in there, but as you can see, I have a ton more room in here. So this bag can easily pack enough clothes for at least a week. If you are probably even 2 weeks. That's just how large this is. Let's see if I get my, let's see if I get my slouch. I do. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I have all those clothes in there, and I have that beautiful slouch, which is what I wanted. So yeah, this is great. I have room just in case I need to put something else in there, but that is what we have in this bag. All right, guys, let me go ahead and bring up the Keepall 55. Here we are, and in this bag, I'm taking my toiletry pouches. I'm gonna put my shoes in this bag, my purses, and all the things. So guys, I am taking my Louis Vuitton DOP kit. In here, I have, let me see, you guys can see that. This is the DOP kit. Let me go ahead and open that there. In here, I have a lot of bath stuff, sort of like bath and body type of stuff in here. Some makeup stuff is also in here. I just put my brushes in this little like popcorn little pouch here. So yeah, this is all of my makeup brushes and sponges and things like that. I have the rest of the stuff in there like that. So let's just go through it. I'm taking my Necessaire deodorant, right? I'm taking that. I'm taking my e.l.f. Power Grip Setting Spray for my makeup. My Clarins Double Serum. So I'm actually gonna take this out of the box. I just got this. I picked this up in the the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. My Way Scalp Serum. I just got braids in my hair, and so this is just really good to put on my scalp. It's not greasy. It doesn't have a smell to it. So I'm taking this. I don't know why that doesn't want to focus. This is from Costa Brazil, and it is their body wash. It's the one that has a little bit of fragrance to it. This is I always say this is probably my favorite body wash of all time. It is the most luxurious body wash that I have. And I just really love the Amazonian jungle type of fragrance to this. It's really great. So it's a road trip, so I'm able to take larger things. So I'm taking this. I'm taking my Lancome Nutrix Royale Body Cream. It has a very light scent, but it works well with the body wash that I'm taking. Okay, what else is in here is my Celine Black Tie. One of my favorite fragrances. I got this for my birthday, I believe, last year. And it's just, I wear this when I'm going on more formal events. It's just mature, sophisticated. It's wonderful, so I'm taking that. And I am also taking my MFK Grand Soir. This is grown woman sexy. It's just very sophisticated. Yeah, this is definitely for the grown woman. So I am taking the Grand Soir. And then I have in here my Caudalie. This is just a micellar water. Mouthwash in here. I have my toothbrush. I have some matches in here. And then I just have this little container that has some of my hair gel. That's all that's in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack this back up. Okay guys, there we are. Again, this has a ton of room in it, so if I need to add more things, I certainly can. This is my favorite travel kit because it fits everything. I have never packed this to where, I have too much in there. It's just my favorite one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and put it right on the edge right there. And see, that is what that looks like inside of there. Just in there like that, okay? Well, I got this little pouch from Amazon. All of my makeup is in here. I'm not gonna go through and take out all the makeup, but I bought this enough makeup for like a full beat. If I wanna do a full beat, I have lashes in here, lash glue, foundation. I think my Estee Lauder foundation. When I wanna do like a full beat, I go with the Estee Lauder. And then I just bought makeup items in here just for like an everyday casual look or whatever. But everything is in here, and you can see kind of the back of it there. I have my e.l.f. Power Grip. That's just one of my favorite primers. Yeah, that's my Estee Lauder. Yeah, so everything is in there. In the front there, I have my Rhode Blush, the YSL Candy Glaze number 2. Yeah, so this is what I have in here. I'll do a different angle. Once I get everything in, I'll do a different angle so you guys can see what everything looks like. All right, guys, I am taking my cosmetic pouch. It's the larger of the toiletry, the cosmetic pouches. I have the small one and this is the larger one. I am taking this one, and in here I have all of my facial stuff. So this is just like sample sizes of things for my face, and I have several items from the Lancome Absolute line. I love this line. I've only gotten samples, but their samples are very generous, and they have convinced me that I absolutely love this line. And so I'm hoping that maybe on Black Friday that they'll have a sale, because it is pricey. I have the Clinique, a sample of the Take the Day Off to take my makeup off with. And then I just have a couple of these Neutrogena Hydro Boost cleansers. I got these from the dermatologist when I went with my daughter. They had samples, so I just picked those up. And then this is the gel cream with hyaluronic acid. I have a sample size of the Caudalie Vino Perfect. I have some toothpaste in here. All right, I have an e.l.f. lip sleeping mask. I like this. This is the Holy Hydration lip sleeping mask from e.l.f. It's so hydrating. I love putting this on at night. Then I have just a sample size of the Christian Dior Riviera. This is what it looks like. And so yeah, this is my signature scent, guys, so I don't travel or go anywhere without having Dior Riviera. On the side right there, I just have some cotton pads for my face. That is going to go in the bag. These are just my intimates. I'm going to take this steamer. This is a great travel steamer. So I'm just gonna throw this right in here. This is like a lot of my tech accessories, chargers and things like that for my Apple Watch, for my phone, my portable charger. So that's what's in this bag. So this bag is gonna go here, although I still have a couple things that I need. Let me leave it out because I have a couple things I need to put in there. And then guys, I am taking a couple pair of shoes. Like I said, it's hot. We're in Florida, so it's hot. So believe it or not, we're still wearing sandals. I picked these sandals up recently from Amazon. They're just really cute. They just go up through the toe and then around the ankle. They're just really cute. They'll go with all of the outfits that I bought. The color, that brown color is a nice kind of like skin tone type of color, and so they'll go great. And so I'll put these right in here. And then I'm taking these. I got these from Mango a few years ago, and these are just these little pumps that just go right around the toe. They're just so cute, so sexy. And so I'm going to take these. Contemplating if I should just take the boots. I mean, it's fall, right? So like even with the dress that I'm wearing, this, I can make this work just because it is fall, but it definitely feels like summer. So I'll probably take these boots. I don't know if I'll put them in here just yet. The bags that I am taking, I'm taking small bags because the concert has like a bag size limit. I think the bag has to be no larger than 10 by 6 by 2. This is the radio camera bag. You guys knew this was coming. This is probably the one I'll take to the concert. I believe it is the right size, but let's look. Yes, so the measurements on this bag are 9 by 6 by 2.5, but I think it'll be fine. So this is the one that I'm going to take to the concert, but I also do, and I am taking my mini Rowan. Let me look at the size on this one. Okay, 7 by 4.75 by 4.0. So yeah, this would definitely be very safe for the concert. So I may end up taking this one since I'm wearing brown shoes or whatnot. I'm actually traveling today with my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. This is the bag that I'm just taking for the day, but for the concert, I will wear one of these bags. And because I have this bag, you guys know I've talked about wanting this bag in the maple color, but I have this one. It's the same color, and I didn't want two bags that would be competing in my collection, and I want to try to get as much use as I can out of either bag. So I think that I won't get this one in the maple color because I do have this one, and I can reach for this one for the same reasons that I would that other one. So yeah, so let's go ahead and put these back in the little case. All right, that's that. I'm recording with the DJI right now, but I am going to put this in here as well. And so everything is in there now, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get a different angle. All right, guys, so this is a different angle. You can see how everything fits in there, and I have more than enough room to put even more things in there. That is what we are looking like. And I love that, and you see all that room that I have for more things. But the only other thing that I'll have is this one. I'm gonna put this in here once I put all of the other cords in there. That's going in there, and that's it. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna show you. Let me go ahead and close this up. This is so easy to close. I love that. And these will be my 2 bags. I know it's probably too wide for you guys to get a good angle of it, a good look of it. Yeah, so those are my 2 bags that I am taking, and I'm excited, guys. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here because, like I said, we are getting ready to leave and we're doing good with time. We wanted to get out of here by 10 o'clock, and I think I have everything I should be able to get out of here. And so that is it. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope the angles and everything were okay with you. Again, I am going to vlog this trip. You'll see this video first, but I am going to vlog this trip. So hopefully I'll get some good content for you guys. But yeah, that's it. So hope you have a happy, safe, and healthy week, or a happy, safe, and healthy day. And whatever you do, guys, make it cozy. All right, see you later. Bye.